Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the brightness on a Huawei Fit watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the settings cog to open the settings menu. Tap display. Then scroll down and tap brightness. Here you can choose between auto and between 1 to 5 brightness level. 1 is the lowest brightness setting and 5 is the highest. Select the number of brightness you want and then tap OK to select it. Auto will change the brightness levels based on the light levels of your surroundings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.